Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Phonics with Uncle Sam. We quickly go into our sound revision, but today our sound revision is targeted on specific sounds. And these sounds are the sound A. A. We say the action is A. A. Okay. Our next sound is the sound E. E. The action is E. E. And our next sound is the sound I. I. And the action is I. I. And the last sound we looked at is O. O. And this action is O. 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 Good. Now let's quickly go into today's story for us to introduce our new sound. It's a sunny day. Justina and her aunties are walking back from the market. Suddenly, the sky turns gray and it starts to rain. Thankfully, Justina's mom gave her an umbrella which she puts up. Now, here comes Duncan, her young brother. He's running. He's very wet. He also needs that umbrella. Have you ever been soaked in the rain before? How does it feel? Why is it important when it's rainy season to always move with an umbrella? Because you never know when the rain comes. In today's lesson, our sound of the day is the sound A. A. And it's represented by the letter U. So U says A. A. Can you say it with me? A. A. Good job. Now the action for this sound is opening an umbrella. A. 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 Good job. Now let's sing the umbrella song together. It goes like up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Good job. Now let's quickly see how we can form the sound A. Now if you look at this is the sound A. And if you look at that dot, it shows us the starting point. So this is where we start from when writing the letter U. It goes like down, under, up, down. One more time. Starting point, down, under, up, down. Good job. Now let's try writing it on the board. So we are saying it's a small letter, and small letters sit in between the middle and the bottom line. So we start from there as our starting point and go down, under, up, down. One more time. Down, under, up, down. So that's how we write the sound A or the letter U. And these are our blending words for today. Let's try and blend to read. Our first word has a sound A. T. A. T. Hot. Our next word A. A. Mom. Our third word ad. Ad. Mad. And our last word up. 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 Good job. So this word is hot, mom, mud, up. Good. Now let's quickly look at our sounding pictures. What do we have in our sounding pictures? So in our sounding pictures, we have the following pictures. So the first picture, what do we see? What word comes out of that picture? It's the word cup. Good. Cup. So that's a cup. Can we hear today's sound in the word cup? Yes, it's there. And where is it? Is it in the middle? Is it at the beginning? Is it at the end? It's in the middle. Good job. Our next picture, what's that? That's a dog. Now, can we hear today's sound in the word dog? No. And that's our word, dog. 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 What's that? It's the sun. It's the sun, yes. Sun. Do we have today's sound in the word sun? Yes, where is it? In the middle. Good. Sun. Sun. What's that? They're using the scissors to do what? To cut the paper. Cut. Cut. Do we have today's sound in the word cut? Yes. Where is it? It's in the middle. Cut. 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 Good job. Our next activity, we try and write the following sounds. Let's get our books and write the following sounds. Now, let's put numbers 1 to 5. 1 to 5. On number 1, can you write the sound A? A. And number 2, write the sound E. E. Number 3, write the sound I. I. And number 4, write the sound O. O. And lastly, on number 5, write the sound O. O. Good job. So what has just happened? We have completed learning the 5 vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and A. What does that mean? We can sing the vowel song. Now, this is how the vowel song goes. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, are short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. That's our vowel song. Thank you for singing with me. And thank you very much for sticking around in today's episode. See you in the next episode. It's been Phonics with Uncle Sam. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can still get your own copy of the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide from Beyond Ourselves Zambia. So all you need to do is follow their page and then inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me. So the inboxing of Uncle Sam sent me should go on Beyond Ourselves Zambia page, not Phonics with Uncle Sam. Beyond Ourselves Zambia. The link to their page is actually in the description there. You'll notice in the description there's Beyond Ourselves Zambia. Just click on the words Beyond Ourselves Zambia and you have access to their page. Follow them, then inbox them. Uncle Sam sent me, and you get the book at 10% discount. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.